Aeonix T-series phones are very user-friendly and intuitive to use. The soft keys dynamically change based on the state of your telephone. Tadiran Telecom offers many phone models. Even though each phone model changes the number of buttons and the display, the basic operation remains the same across all models. Let's review the basics and how to use the Tadiran T-series phones. The buttons at the bottom of your screen are called soft keys, and they change depending on your phone's state. The history button will show your call history. You can find more call details by pressing Option, and here you can select Detail, which will give you more information on the call and let you place that number into your directory. The Directory button will open up your directory settings. The DND button will enable Do Not Disturb. When Do Not Disturb is active and Aeonix is programmed, all incoming calls will automatically be sent to your voicemail. There will be a symbol at the top of your screen that will indicate your phone is in Do Not Disturb. Pressing DND again will toggle Do Not Disturb off. Your menu button will let you navigate your phone's additional features and settings. Your headset button can be used if you have a headset connected to your phone. Pressing this button will switch audio between the handset and the headset. The mute button will mute your voice on a call. The message key will take you to your voicemail. Once inside the mailbox, you'll hear a voice prompt to help you navigate your voicemail. Please enter your PIN code. To hear new messages, press 1. To hear saved messages, press 2. To hear deleted messages, press 3. For personal options, press 4, which will present additional options for the voicemail system, like recording greetings or activating extended absence. The redial key will take you to your placed calls history page, where you can redial your last placed calls. Additionally, if you want to redial your last dialed number, press the start or asterisk key. You may notice a flashing red light at the top of your phone. This light will flash whenever you've missed a call or received a new voicemail. Pressing your history button after a missed call or listening to your voicemail after a new voicemail will stop the flashing red light. When you get an incoming call, there are several different ways to answer it. The most straightforward way is to pick up the handset. This will answer the call and play the audio through the handset. Another way to answer a call is to press the answer button at the bottom left of the screen. You can also press the speaker button at the bottom of the phone to answer the call on speaker. Your other options are forward, which lets you forward the incoming call to another extension, or reject, which sends the caller straight to voicemail. If you answered the call on speakerphone, you can switch it to your handset by simply picking it up. The symbol at the top left of your screen indicates whether your audio is coming through the handset or the speakerphone. Pressing the speaker button when the handset is in its cradle will hang up the call. To make a call, dial the intended number or extension, and then either press the send button or simply pull the handset off the hook. When on a call, you'll notice you have different call options here. The transfer and hold buttons do the same thing as these buttons on the side. You can also use the conference button to conference in another line. If another call rings in while you are already on a call, you have multiple options. Option number 1 is to answer the call, which will automatically put the first caller on hold. Option 2 is to reject the call, which will send the incoming caller to voicemail. You can easily navigate back and forth between the two calls by using these line keys or using the swap button. Switching to one call automatically places the other on hold. You can know that the other call is on hold by the flashing green light. There are 2 ways to transfer, blind and attended. A blind transfer sends the call directly to another phone. While on a call, press the button underneath the screen labeled Transfer. Then dial the phone number or extension you wish to transfer the call to. Then press Transfer a second time. This will transfer that call to your target extension. An attended transfer allows you to speak to the party you are about to transfer the call to before the transfer occurs. To do this, press Transfer, then dial the phone number or extension you wish to transfer the call to. Then press Send, and you will ring into your target extension. If that party would like to take the original call, press Transfer to connect the two calls. If the third party did not wish to take that call, end your call with them by pressing End Call, and then press Resume to continue speaking to the original caller. If you would like to make a conference call while on a call, first press the conference button, then dial the extension you wish to conference, then press send. Once they answer, press conference again, and you will have created a conference bridge. Unlike other systems, Aeonix creates the audio conference in Aeonix and not on the phone. This means you can add more parties by following the same steps. You can also hang up from the conference and it will continue. Finally, you can program buttons directly on the telephone. To do this, simply press and hold down the button. The display will show you the available features on the phone in Aeonix in the keytype event entry. Enter what is required in the label and value. Once you finish programming the button, press the Save button. This will push the programmed entry to the Aeonix system. Thank you for watching. Implement these tips and transform your phone usage. Stay connected, stay efficient, and enjoy the benefits of a well-managed communication system. We hope you found this video informative and that it helps ensure a successful deployment. If you have any further questions, please email marketing@tadiranamerica.com. Please visit our YouTube channel for additional self-help videos.